What's up, guys? Keysy back with another video, and today, well, before that, Merry Christmas to everybody, because it's gonna be Christmas when I release this video today. But we're gonna be going over today Supreme Week. I always forget this, I swear. Before I make these videos, I don't even check. But let me check. I think it's 19 or 18. It should be the last week of Supreme, but yeah, week 18 of the Supreme drop list. And just like the last 2 weeks, they've been releasing one heat item. And this week is no different. I was literally about to say it, but let's just get straight into this drop list so I can release this video for you guys, because this drop list, I think this is a complete drop list, and if it is, that's gonna be really short and really weak for the last week. But let's get straight into it because I'm excited. As always, we gotta check drops by Jay. Shout out to him. But alright, I think that is the full drop list because alright, that drop list. Alright, yeah, that's a complete drop list, and this drop list is super short for considering it's the last week of Supreme this season for fall winter 2019. But let's get straight into it. As always, start from the bottom, go up to the top. Alright, so the first thing we have right here is this. Look at my face. The colored blocked zip up sweater. You have this in a black and blue and a tan and brown. This is honestly whack. Like, I do not like these at all. These kind of look like something your grandpa would wear, but yeah, this is just not heat, and I really don't care for that because that thing is trash. Next thing you have right here is these ear flap 6-panel hats. Again, every time they make these, they're absolute garbage and they're never good at all. But let's see. And these are no different at all. So if this thing will load, so you have it in a brown, a black, a neon green, a checkered, a blue, and a red. These are just absolutely horrible. I don't even know what's in the middle. I think that's an eagle. I can't read it because this thing won't load, but yeah, that's absolute garbage. Next thing you have right here is the split logo ear flat beanie. Have it in this like NYX colorway of orange and blue, baby blue and white, yellow and black, and then green and purple, looking like the Hulk. But these aren't anything special either. These are trash. This whole list is trash other than the Supreme and North Face stuff. But yeah, that's really it. Alright, and then we're gonna have this tribal camo baklava. I can never say that word, it's always really hard. But you have this in this like camo color, I think that is, or like tribal camo. It says right there in the name. This tribal camo color, you have it in black, tan and black, and then a red, black, and yellow. That red, black, and yellow is heat. I'd get that, but it's not anything crazy. It's just to cover your face, a regular face mask. But getting into Supreme North Face, this is my first opinions on this. It's heat. I like it a lot. A lot of people are saying just because it looks like crumpled piece of paper, it's trash. I personally like it. And with this, it was supposed to release last season, but I forgot what happened. I don't know why it didn't release, but yeah, it just didn't release. It said it was going to, but it just never did. And some people did get it early. I don't. It's probably that's why it probably didn't release, because it got backdoored so many times that they were just like, nah, fuck that. We're just not gonna release it. But this season they decided to release it finally. They have it in a jacket, pants, and well, pant since it's one, so a pant, and a scarf right here. So with the scarf, it's just like a regular North Face scarf. I've never seen North Face make scarves like this, honestly, but yeah, it's just this paper print. It's nothing crazy. Just has the North Faces. It just has us a North Faces Supreme logos right there, the traditional logos that they always make. It's not anything crazy. I mean, I wouldn't get it, but I would just get the jacket, to be honest. But and then you have the pants right here again with the same paper, like paper print right here. Just if you want to know what this looks like, just grab any piece of paper, blank white piece of paper, and just start crunkling it up or balling it up, you know, and that's what literally it's gonna look like. I find it heat. I don't know about you, but I find it heat. I find it to be heat. And then you have this Nupsy paper print right here. I don't know. I just don't know why. I really like it. I just like it a lot, and the Supreme community is really f***ing up right now. But yeah, then you have the Supreme on the hoodie right there by your head when you pull it up, and then you know, this isn't the loudest or the most craziest North Face like Nupsy they've made. They've made loud ones like the Statue of Liberty one. like you saw on my channel, and the mountain parka one where they had like the mountain print on it. That one was absolutely crazy, and I love that, and I want that. And also the By Any Means Necessary, where it's like all printed out. This one's kind of the most subtle one out of the ones that they've made from the Nupsies that I've seen, but all in all, I still really like it. But yeah, that's honestly just a drop list. This video is probably gonna be like super short. This video is already only at 7 minutes, and I gotta cut it out because so many us and us. But if that is the full drop list, then you know, that's gonna conclude this video. And if it's not, and if they throw out some more stuff, I'm gonna just edit it in while shooting it like that while I'm editing. So yeah, if you guys really did enjoy this video, if you like the quality of these now, and I hope the sound is a lot better. I'm still trying to get over the sickness that I'm finally getting over. Finally, this thing was absolutely murdering me. But yeah, if you guys really liked the video, like, comment, subscribe if you are new, because you know, that's going to really help me out a lot and push this channel forward. And share the video and let me know down in the comments maybe what's your favorite item of this week. Without further ado, that's it. That's it for this week. Peace. Ooh, I better be sounding right, but alright, well, look at me. You know, crazy. What the fuck to record?